Good morning, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. And now, Maxine is saying that she warned Miss D like a whole lot of times about, calling her charity a charity. She's saying that she should use good deed give back instead. And that way, people wouldn't have her name across social media talking about charity and all different kind of stuff. So she said that she sent her, warnings over and over again, but she's not listening. And she's talking about more things. So go ahead and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourselves a wonderful, super fantastic day today, y'all.
Like I can't go to know if I'm a good person. Everybody know that I'm a good person. And I didn't have any choice. And Maureen used to it. And Lorraine used to give Dana hell. Then give it to Dana. But it wasn't so bad. Oh, I bought it down here. It's $1,000 to $1,000 like $300. They have them in different colors. Very good. I love it when I zap them. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Me go look for them. All when they not see me run them down and find them and zap them. Oh, then. All right, you hear it? There you go. If right, I'm enough time. Not gravel lane. No, I bought it in one of those, Chinese take over the whole place. One of them Chinese store. Yeah, man, one of the Chinese store. I'm going to tell you say. Bad mind and wickedness take over Maureen Yosemite and Lorraine. And then can't believe one somebody can be doing whatever they're doing. But I keep telling that lady Dana, 99, I tell 99 every time she come on Pande, stop say you have a charity. That's not a charity. It's a give back good deed program. Oh, you mean this prayer? Yes, in a gravel lane. I went there today. Jesus. Jesus. I went there. Me say. Me got gravel lane today. Hey. Come off on my page. You fry. Come off on my page. Oh, Janet, I wasn't going to call your name, my darling. I was not going to call your name, Janet. Janet, you are the best. Janet, you are the only one. Not really the only one. Not only the only one, guys. This girl, Janet, she can tell you everything without me coming out and saying nothing. But it's just that Janet can't remember a lot of stuff. Because I love you, Janet. Love you, love you. And I hope you're okay. I really, you're making me want to cry right now, Janet. You're making me want to cry because if a lot of times I'd listen to Janet, I would never be in this position. Would never. But the head tick and the heart is so willing. And it's so free. So free. Guys, Maureen Yosemite is not new. None of them is new. Look, and everybody keeps saying to me, I am the one who bring Baga upon social media. I never bring Baga upon social media. Dana did. When Dana came out for me, and that's why until today it will be the #1 regret that Dana having social media, because she did me wrong. When Maureen them thank you, Janet. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Thank you. And me I tell her say you no laugh at me. Me have to stop talking to Janet and because Janet make me want bad. To know that Janet got sick, but she still can remember certain things. And a lot of the times I have to call her I have to call her, like, to remind her of certain things because she don't remember. But the most important things, them, she do remember. God bless you, Janet. God bless you. When Maureen knew Simit and Lorraine and the whole of them come for me, they said them when they help me. All of them said they were helping me. They were helping me. They were planning on tearing down my demise. Yeah. Planning for my demise. Me used to fight for Dana. Every day they me and block me. Every day they me and cuss me. Yeah, me are the same Maxine Foster. Me not change. Fighting her. Me no cast bag upon ya. Lorraine pick up her phone and call me. Ashanti pick up his phone and call me. All of the Jezebel them where you say ya, pick up their phone and call me. Because them want me case and they want to write Dana and they want to do whatever with Dana. All me want is justice. That's all me want. That's all me want. Guys, I played it for you so many times. The 7-hour tape. We play Peace when Dana, when Lorraine said, go away. Are you care Dana go give Dana success? Are you care Dana go give Dana this? Are you care Dana? Me no care Dana now. Me never meet Dana yet. Thank you, Janet. Thank you, my darling. You glad I found my own voice? That's what killing them. Because I should still be under Dana's spell and under Lorraine's spell. Under Ashanti's spell. But I find my wings and I fly away. I flew away. Oh yes, I flew away. I wasn't going to stay there. I remember one time, if people do remember stuff, Janet knew Simit. I don't know what went happen. Some man she went find. Because she must have went to Jamaica go rent some man or something. And the man take her for a ride and take away everything what she have. And she lay on her bed and she go on with herself. And she come out every day and she drink like you know, like Rasta, you know, Rasta. So, call her with himself because the man name but I want her no more. That Lorraine, every single thing that you hear Lorraine come out here and said, she lies. She is using reverse psychology on you guys. Rebecca, 99 cannot have a charity. Take it from me when I tell you this. She will never. Oh, I carry it long time. I carry her charity, like really carry it. At one given week, like on the payday, nobody comes in with any money. It was just my money. $300 to pay Spider from it. How much to pay Andrea? Me alone. Oh yes, I know you men carry. Me alone. So let me go back. She can't have a charity. Take it from me, all of you in social media. Dana does not have a charity. I keep telling her, stop telling people you have a charity. You don't have no charity. You have a good deed give back program. That's what you have. And from day one, me I tell her, you know, say, stop say it, stop say it, stop say it. Now she finally get it. And that's what she's saying now. She cannot have a charity. Because she have a charity, they would have audit her before she done the paperwork. They would have audit her before she done the paperwork. Because a whole heap of somebody when they go to jail. Whole heap, you know? She can't register that as a charity. She register all the business that she have. She can't register no charity. Me have to tell you that. Me have to repeat myself over and over. So let me get back to the long time story. The moral of the story is, Lorraine called me. You would have called, said she's so solicit. Oh yes, she came on social media and she solicit me. And she used me. She and the whole of them. Lorraine apologized to Donna already, you know. You all know that Lorraine apologizes to Donna, right? Let me see who does not know that Lorraine already apologizes to Donna. Let me see. Come here, I'll tell you one story. Let me see the hands of those who know that she apologizes to Donna already. Oh, long time. If me when carry 99 go Obia man, you'd have come out on social media a long time. Then you hold that, please. Oh, Donna, you know that Lorraine apologized to Donna, right? Who remember when Bulldog and that letter that went to Gracie, and Bulldog said she's sorry, and Lorraine says she's sorry? Who remember? Does anyone here remember? Lorraine name her shit long time. Lorraine name done a shit long time. Me don't know how uno de pan no know say Lorraine apologized to Donna long time. That you apologize to Donna. So what the big deal with Sophie apologizing to Donna? What the big deal with anybody apologizing to Donna? You already done it already. Everybody already do it. Oh, somebody had sent you to do it. You never remember that? But wait, you know when call 7-2 Michelle for me? You know when call 7-2 Michelle? No sound no have to hear what Michelle they say. Michelle sound drunk right there, so 7-2 Michelle sound drunk. Why mean say it's okay if you Lorraine got Bob house go cook stew piece? We go tie her husband. Who get the tie? Lorraine get the tie pan the husband. Lorraine there with the husband, you know? Yes, Lorraine there with the husband. Lorraine tie himself pan Bob in a Bob house. But Bob, your wife worthless though. But your wife couldn't sit down and make him man just gone, so you just tie on Lorraine? Lord Jesus. But Michelle, how you know them the tour the Michelle? You ain't know them tour the long time, you know. You see you Sophie, you bad. All you Sophie, you know them tour the long time, you know. Me can come out contract the tour them long time. But me can free me for a long time, Sophie. Sophie, you know, say me nature with Lorraine. I'll know Lorraine can't come out with it. I'll know Lorraine can't come out with it, you know. The girl go cook stew peas. Maxine, do you say that?